What's going on, guys? It's Monday. We decided to pop into the outlet. They're still doing 20% off the hash wall. And as we were looking around, obviously this is completely full, but we came across these right here, these Jordan Legacies. And we're gonna break down as soon as we get home exactly what we did. We just flipped a few of these from the outlet onto StockX before we purchased. We're still in store right now. We haven't bought them yet, but we're gonna show you. We've showed you before, we're gonna show you again exactly how to flip pairs. Even if you find them on the wall, how to flip them right onto StockX. So you guys know you can't flip pairs on StockX that don't have their full box, but whenever we see an absolutely full wall and only one or two pairs, we ask them if they have any more with their full box. They had a couple, so we flipped these 4 pairs for profit. Those have their full box, obviously those don't. Always make sure when you're looking and the wall's full, they ask if they have extra ones in the back. So we've got our 4 pairs. We know exactly how much our buy cost is gonna be with all 4 pairs. We've already sold all 4 pairs on StockX. So because we know the total, because we know we've already made a profit, now we can jump on the Raise app and buy some gift cards, which will lower our buy cost even more, increasing our profit. All right, just got home. We're gonna bring these upstairs into the sneaker loft. We're gonna break down all the numbers so it's super, super clear what just happened. All right, we are back home. We wanna run through some of the numbers for you so you see exactly what just happened. Again, all these pairs were sold in store. Our buy cost for all the pairs was, hopefully you guys can see that, $270.04. While we were in store, we jumped on the Raise marketplace and we bought gift cards, discounted gift cards, that brought the buy cost down an additional, we saved an additional $13. I think the rate at the time was about 4.5%. That brought the buy cost down to $257. So for all 4 of these pairs, they cost us $64.25. We had sold them in store and got back a total of $321.29, which means our profit while sitting in store on all 4 of these pairs was $64.29. Now you may be saying, that's not a big deal. 64 bucks is not that much. To us, that's a lot of money. But if you're thinking that's not that much, it snowballs, it adds up over time. We've done this for almost $50,000 worth of shoes, and we've made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in profit selling shoes while in store before we actually purchase them. There's zero risk. Now, there is a few things you got to keep in mind. We've done 2 videos already on the outlet to StockX flip. Make sure you go and watch those. Let us know if you have any questions about that. Here is some bonus content. Once you've done this a bunch of times and you've sold over $25,000 worth of shoes on StockX and you have a 100% authentication on all those shoes, you have no red flags on your account, you qualify for instant payouts. And what we mean by that, normally when you open your account and before you sell $25,000 worth of stuff, this is what happens. You sell the shoes, you bring them home, you box them up, you drop them off at a UPS location, they're shipped to StockX. Once StockX receives them and has these shoes in hand, they go over them, make sure there's no blemishes, make sure they are authentic, and at that point, they release your funds to you through PayPal or however you've set it up on your account. What we're saying with this bonus content is once you've sold over that $25,000 mark, you sell the shoes, the minute you drop them off at UPS and they scan them and they start tracking, you get paid out then. So right now, what time is it? It's about 2:25. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. So we just sold these while in store at the local outlet. We're gonna box these up. We're gonna drop them off today. The second that they are scanned and tracking, we're gonna get our money back today. We're gonna have that money back in our account the same exact day. That is super, super valuable as a reseller. It's something to work towards. If you aren't at that $25,000 threshold, or if you've sold over $25,000, make sure you reach out to StockX because you do qualify for that bonus feature. This is super valuable to us now as we're sourcing used shoes, as we're going into Marshalls, as we're going into other outlets. We can take a look at the StockX, see if there's any outlet to StockX pairs that we can flip for profit, and we'll have that money back in hand the same day, and we can apply it to other parts of our business or use that money and put it right into our savings account. If you guys have any questions at all, jump into the comments below. We hope this helps you on your reselling adventure. Until the next video, we hope you enjoy each and every single step.